We how to promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook, and I will share with you which services you need to promote on Facebook if you want to start making money on Fiverr affiliate. Because you cannot promote any services, you need to choose specific services that people are looking for, and those people will buy those services from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, alright, let's get started. I will make this video super easy for you guys, step by step, how you can promote your affiliate links on Facebook. Okay, and as you can see here, I made $245. I will update this page so you can make sure, as you can see, it's still the same numbers, and as you can see over here, it's paid. I received this money on my PayPal account. So I will share with you my method in this video. So for people who are new to Fiverr affiliate and want to start making money on Fiverr affiliate, you should create an account on Fiverr like this one. Okay, so you should have account on Fiverr like this one. If you don't have an account on Fiverr like this one, what you need to do, you just need to go to Google and search for Fiverr, and this is the link of the website of Fiverr. So you just need to click on this link, and the sign up process is very easy and simple. You can sign up using only your email address, and that's all. So after you finish the sign up process, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Okay, just scroll down like that, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So make sure to check this website so you can get more information about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliate, you just need to click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see in this page. And as you can see, the sign up process is super easy. So you just need to put your first name here, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type, make it private. So you will only follow few steps, and that's also after you finish the sign up process. This will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr account, okay, like that, and search for this service that we will promote on Facebook. Search for NFT. Okay, search for NFT promotion like that, and you will find a lot of sellers in Fiverr selling this service, as you can see. So I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good seller so people can trust him and they can buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. Okay, make sure to choose like level 1 seller or level 2 seller or top rated seller. Those are good sellers that you can promote their services as affiliate with Fiverr. Okay, so for example, let's choose one. So for example, I will choose this one over here. He is level 2 seller and he has 5 star, a lot of reviews. So what you need to do is you just need to click on his service, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile like that. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to copy his profile link. Okay, copy his profile link and go to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. Okay, you will be in this page. Click over here again and put this link here. Okay, and click over here again, and this is your Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to copy this link from here, and as you can see, this link is too much long, so we need to make it short. We can use this website is Bitly. You can search for Bitly on Google. This website make long links short, and you can sign up using your email address on this website, and the sign up process is super easy. After you finish the sign up process, this will be your home page. So you just need to come to this icon over here and click over here and click on link, and put your affiliate link over here like that. Okay, and click over here on create, and your affiliate link will be short link. Okay, and as you can see, this is my Fiverr affiliate short link. I just need to copy this link from here. So next step is you need to go to your Facebook page. Okay, go to your Facebook page and click over here on the search and search for NFT. Okay, search for NFT, scroll down and click on groups, because we need Facebook groups. And as you can see, we'll find a lot of NFT Facebook groups that you need to join. So make sure to join a lot of those NFTs groups so you can promote your affiliate links on those groups, okay, that are related to NFT. So for example, I will choose the first group to show you how you can promote your affiliate link on this group. As you can see, this group has a lot of people over here, as you can see, and it's a public group, so I can promote my affiliate link here. And here there are a lot of people are interested in NFTs, so they will be interested to promote their NFTs. So you just need to click over here on write something, okay, and put your affiliate link here like that, and click over here and say the following. If you are looking to promote, okay, to promote your NFT, check this seller on Fiverr. Okay, you can say the following. If you are looking to promote your NFT, check this seller on Fiverr and put your affiliate link over here. And as you can see, this is my affiliate link, so you just need to click here on post, and your affiliate link will be shared in this group, and people who are interested to promote their NFTs collection, they will click on your affiliate link and they will buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. It's easy and simple, as you can see. So that's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook, okay? And make sure to join a lot of NFTs groups, okay? You need to join a lot of NFTs groups so you can promote your affiliate links on those groups, so you can earn commission, okay? There are a lot of NFTs groups, as you can see over here on Facebook. There are so much groups over here, so you need to join those groups so you can promote your affiliate links on those groups, and you will start making money with Fiverr affiliate, okay? That's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment, and see you in my next video.